Hey guys, just a real quick video for anyone hoping to change the LED color on the Clarion EQS746 graphic equalizer. The stock color, at least for mine, are blue. I absolutely despise it. Doesn't match my dash color or the color I want in my truck. The concern that I had up front was that the plastic trim rings around these knobs where the light is shines through might be blue and the LEDs behind it might be white, which means if you change out the LEDs you're kind of just screwed either way. As it turns out, these are clear. The LEDs are blue, so this is going to be a go on this project. First step, remove these screws on the side. Reverse side has the same screws. Underside has 2 screws. The knobs pull off, screws come out, and you are left, and the face here is held on solely by the knobs and a couple of screws. At that point, you have access, let's see if we can reverse this a little bit, bring it back, to these LEDs, these 3mm LEDs here. Those are the ones that we're going to be changing out. They are soldered onto the board via these connection points here. There is one extra point here, yeah, where you see 3. Watch out, that third one is a lead going into this last knob here. So be mindful that you don't desolder that. But after desoldering these, even with this, I don't know, trim shield, what have you, on here, we've got access to these with maybe some needle nose pliers. Pull those out, drop in your 3mm red, and well, in my case, red, and we should be off to the races. Maybe I'll post a quick video once I get these done.